everyone. So today my friend and I gonna talk about two ecosystems that very interesting. First, limestone ecosystem. We have found a beautiful place in Thailand, which is Phang National Park, Thailand. Haika and Juliana will explain detail about this place. Then, the second ecosystem is Tundra ecosystem. Tundra ecosystem divided by two regions, which is Arctic tundra and Alpine tundra. For Arctic tundra, Nick will going through a place at Greenland, North America, Denmark. While for Alpine tundra, Amin will explain a place which is Kaiser Mountain in Austria. So I hope you will enjoy our video.
Hello everyone, I'm Haika and my friend Ju will explain about the limestone ecosystem in Thailand. It is our Phang National Park. I will explain the importance and the biodiversity, and Ju will visiting around via Google Maps. Nestled along the stunning coastline of Thailand lies our Phang National Park, an ecological treasure trove renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, limestone karst, and rich marine biodiversity. This protected area, encompassing pristine forest, limestone cliffs, and diverse marine ecosystem, serves as a sanctuary for myriad of flora and fauna, showcasing a harmonious blend of terrestrial and marine life. The significance of Phang National Park extends beyond its picture, encompassing vital ecological and cultural importance. It is unique geological formations characterized by towering limestone karst rising from emerald waters attract global attentions and contributing to the park's recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Beyond its geological marvels, the park shelters a wide array of habitats including mangrove forest, coral reefs, and lush jungle for fostering remarkable biodiversity. The biodiversity there is a captivating mosaic of life forms. Its terrestrial habitats host diverse species of plants, from towering hardwoods to rare orchids, while the mangrove forests provide a crucial breeding grounds for numerous bird species and support an array of marine life. Below the water surface, the park's coral reef teem with vibrant marine organisms, including colorful fish, sea turtles, and various invertebrates, contributing to the park's status as a marine biodiversity hotspot. The conservation of Phang National Park is pivotal not only for safeguarding its natural splendor, but also for preserving the livelihoods of local communities dependent on its resources. The park's ecological integrity is crucial for sustaining fisheries and supporting tourism, also preserving the traditional practices for the indigenous communities residing in the vicinity. That's all from me.
Continue from Haika. So here we go. So here again we're going to Phang National Park in Thailand. So this is how I'm visiting the National Park in Thailand virtually. So here from my home that we're going to the Thailand. So here we can see the map from Johor and also going to the southern Thailand in Phang National Park, which located in Phang forest of the southern Thailand. If you see here, this is a 3D of Google Earth. We also can make it into 2D as well, and this is how it will look like. And again we're going to show you the map. So we're going straight to the National Park in Thailand, where the karst or limestone ecosystem are there. So if you see the picture, this is the karst limestone tower that are there, and this is the address. So this is the photosphere where you can look visually from this side on the left, where you can zoom in and zoom out, and also you can select the circle. And if you see here, this is a Karst tower that in Phang, Thailand. And it's done here. So next we're going to see a more interesting video of them going to Phang Bay. This is in a 4K tour where they show you a more visual visit of the Phang Bay. So if you look here, this is the Karst tower, the limestone Karst tower, which is especially in Phang Bay. This is one of their way of the tourism. This is the elephant rock, which is also the Karst or the limestone ecosystem. There are actually a lot of threats that affect limestone ecosystem, which is quarrying and mining, where it causes habitat destruction, where because limestone is often quarried for its use in construction, cement production, and etc. And also this lead to destruction of habitat, and also aquatic plant animals are adapted to the limestone environments. So if you see here, this for the climate change, where when the temperature and precipitation changes, it affecting the composition and also the distribution of plant and animal species that adapted to the specific limestone condition. And also sea level rises are also part of the climate change, where in coastal limestone areas, rising sea levels associated with climate change can actually lead to saltwater interaction, impacting both terrestrial and also aquatic ecosystem. And also tourism impact is one of the threat, where if there is if there is high level of tourism, especially in cave, like example here is for the Karst tower, it can actually lead to physical damage to the ecosystem, and also including trampling of delicate vegetation and disturbance to the wildlife. Managing a limestone ecosystem involves a combination of conservation strategies, sustainable. So lastly, to manage a limestone ecosystem, it involves a combination of conservation strategies, sustainable practice, and also community need to be involved as well. So there are some key aspects of managing limestone ecosystem. For example, for an example, Phang made Southern Thailand made Phang as national park to protect the areas and also to preserve that one, which is protected areas and reserve, and also by improving conservation programs that focus on preserving the unique flora and fauna of limestone ecosystem. And this also may involve the restoration of degraded habitats and also the reintroduction of native
species. So interesting, right? So Phang, that located in southern Thailand, is renowned for its stunning natural beauty and unique features. I will highlight two unique features of Phang. First, Phang is rich of limestone karst. One of the most distinctive features of Phang is its dramatic limestone karst formation that rise vertically from the emerald green waters. This towering limestone cliff creates a surreal and otherworldly landscape, making the bay visually striking. Next, Phang also famous with James Bond Island. This iconic limestone island gained international fame after it was featured in the James Bond movie, which is The Man with the Golden Gun. So next, we will go through Tundra ecosystem that explained by Nick and Amirullah.
Tundra is the most freezing of the biomes that has received little precipitation, making it resemble a desert. Tundra is situated immediately below the Arctic ice caps, spreading over North America, Europe, and Asia to Siberia. The tundra biome covers much of Alaska and roughly half of Canada. Tundra can also be found at the summits of very high mountains around the world. Temperatures are typically bitterly cold, although can warm up in the summer. Tundra winters are long, dark and cold, with average temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius for 6 to 10 months of the year. Temperatures are so low that a layer of permanently frozen ground beneath the surface, known as permafrost, exists. This permafrost is a distinguishing feature of the tundra biome. The top layer of soil thaws only a few inches below in the tundra summers, giving a growing surface for vegetation roots. The tundra receives 150 to 250 mm of precipitation each year, including melted snow. Despite this, the tundra is frequently moist because the low temperatures allow water evaporation to be slow. In the summer, much of the Arctic receives rain and fog, and water collects in bogs and ponds. The tundra vegetation has adapted to the cold and short growth season. The tundra is also dominated by mosses, sedges, and lichens, with a few trees growing. The trees that do survive grow near to the ground, where they are protected by snow during the frigid winters. We are now virtually visiting one of the Arctic tundra, which is Greenland. Greenland is a North American autonomous territory of the Kingdom of Denmark. Greenland lies between the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans, between latitudes 59 degrees and 83 degrees north and longitudes 11 degrees and 74 degrees west. It is the world's largest island, as well as the northernmost area of the world. The lowest temperature ever recorded in the northern hemisphere was recorded in Greenland, near the topographic summit of the Greenland ice sheet, when the temperature reached minus 69 degrees Celsius. Greenland is a home to two ecoregions, Kalalit Nunat High Arctic Tundra and Kalalit Nunat Low Arctic Tundra. There are approximately 700 known species of insects in Greenland, which is low compared with other countries. The sea is rich in fish and invertebrates, especially in the milder West Greenland current. The few native land mammals in Greenland include the polar bear, reindeer, Arctic fox, Arctic hare, musk ox, collared lemming, ermine, and Arctic wolf. There are dozens of species of seals and whales along the coast. Land fauna consists predominantly of animals which have spread from North America, in the case of many birds and insects from Europe. There are no native or free-living reptiles or amphibians on the island. Greenland's flora consists of about 500 species of higher plants, such as flowering plants, ferns, horsetails, and Lycopodiophyta. Of the other groups, the lichens are the most diverse, with about 950 species, and there are 600 to 700 species of fungi. Mosses and bryophytes are also found, and most of the Greenland's higher plants have circumpolar or circumboreal distributions. Only a dozen species of saxifrage and hawkweed are endemic.
Okay, for the next, I'm going to talk about the Alpine region. I choose Kaiser Mountains from Austria. Kaiser Mountain is a combination mountain of is the combination of mountain between north and south. As you can see, it's a very big snowy mountain that at peak it's around 2,000 meter above sea level. It has various flora and fauna. As you can see, the surrounding of the peak is very snowy. While going down to the lower, here we have the wilder Kaiser, which is the south part of the mountain that have some village, and then right to the north we have the Geisberg and the village for the Kaiser Mountain. Looking closely to the Kaiser Mountain, we can see it is very snowy and has lots of forests and trees that have lots of types of pines and lots of pines and shrub that is very unique to the region and to the area. Next, I'm going to talk about the flora and fauna of the Kaiser Mountains. The Kaiser Mountains have diverse variety of plants and animals, about 940 flowering plants, 38 ferns and fern species, and over 400 moss species live around the mountain area. As you can see below, it is It's an example of the flora that live in the around the Kaiser Mountains. For your information, Kaiser Mountain means Emperor Mountain. It's because the mountain is basically the largest and the biggest mountain on the Austria, and it's very high, and it's very high and have a very beautiful view. The forests are mostly mixed and largely consist of beech, white fir, and spruce tree. In addition, there are also ash tree, sycamore tree maple, elders at night and elders at higher altitude, and even higher up mountains are pink mountain pines and pink alpine shrub. The orange tree, the picture here is a sycamore maple tree, and the below that have pink flower is the pink alpine shrub. Next is at this altitude, we can typically encounter chamois. Chamois is a type of deer that is this one that live around the top of the snowy mountain of the Kaiser Mountain. And if you can look closely around it, there is also European snow vole or mountain hen. There is also some birds which are typically a golden eagle. And for the vertebrate, the typical vertebrates that found in the Kaiser Mountain range includes alpine and include fire salamander, smooth snake, adders, edible or hazel dormice, and bag moth. The top is the smooth snake, and the bottom is the fire salamander. That's all from me.
From what my friend just discussed earlier, limestone ecosystem and tundra ecosystem have different characteristics, which is, for the limestone ecosystem, it is often characterized by the presence of rocky, which is calcium. This ecosystem may support unique plant and animal species that adapt to the alkaline condition that provided by limestone. The vegetation in limestone areas might include specialized plants that thrive in well-drained, which is nutrient-rich soil. Then, for the tundra ecosystem, it is a cool biome characterized by low temperature, short growing season, and permafrost, which is the permanently frozen soil. Tundra ecosystems are found in polar region and high mountain range. Vegetation in the tundra is adapted to harsh, cold conditions, consisting of low-growing plants like mosses, lichen, and dwarf shrub. Okay, in conclusion, travel into the both ecosystem, which is limestone ecosystem and a tundra ecosystem, will offer a diverse range of landscape and ecosystem that allow the travelers to appreciate the beauty of nature adaptation to varying environmental challenges. So that's all from us. Thank you.